students, my name is Saksham Singh, your computer teacher. Today we start the second chapter, operating system. So first of all, you have know about the computer. All there is a CPU. This is called CPU, and your monitor, keyboard, mouse. Okay, all these are connected with the CPU and form the computer, and you can see anything on the monitor. But these are called the hardwares. So there is a need of software also to operate these function. As let's take an example, there is a bus. Bus is called the hardware. The bus driver is called the software. With the help of both the bus and the driver, then the bus will move. If anyone missing, either bus missing or the driver missing, the bus cannot be move or cannot be go anywhere. Okay, so in computer also there is a hardware and plus software. With the help of both the things, the computer can run. Okay, now what is software? Software are the simple programs which help to operate the or which are helpful in provide the computer to run. So first of all is operating system. There are number of operating systems have been so far, but what is operating system? We can say there is a system of software programs which are helpful in making the computer run. Okay, now next is functions of an operating system. What are their function? Controls the program execution, manages all hardware and software resources, start the system automatically when the power is turned on. When you just on the CPU button, just click on tap the CPU button, all the processing has been started. Your operating system has been loaded to perform any function in the computer. Schedules and allot time for the process, allows various application programs to run. Without the operating system, your computer cannot be run. How does a computer work? As you see this chart, this flow diagrams, as you see, with the help of input device like keyboard, you can give instructions to the CPU. CPU accepts its data and process this data and give it to a meaningful information and gives the output in the monitor screen. Okay, if anything save or anything store, it will store in the hard disk of your, this is called the hard disk of your computer. If anything you want to print out, you use the printer. Okay, this is called the input process output cycle. Input given by the input device like keyboard, and process is done in the CPU, and the output is created on monitor with the help of, and monitor is a output device. Okay, now there are types of operating system. As you have using Android mobile phones, so Android is also the operating system. Mac operating system, Android is also a operating system. Linux also a operating system. iOS, Apple operating system. These are the logos of the operating system. But in computer there are Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8. Now at this time we are using Windows 10. These are the old versions of the Windows. So these Windows is called the operating system. These are very helpful in using the computer. And now Windows 10 is a very much useful because it having number of things updated. Okay, and the operating system almost updated every year, or we can say every updation is necessary. In your Android you have seen all the updation has been done. Now next, there are operating systems types. First is single user operating system. Single user means the only one user operate the one operating system. Only one operating system is installed in your computer. We can say that's like in your phone, there is only one operating system. Okay, Now next is multi-user operating system. In multi-user operating system, we in a computer you can install or you can operate two operating system like Windows 10 and Linux. Okay, you can operate two operating system. When the computer is on, there is a choice for two operating system. One is for Windows and one is for Linux. You can log in if of your choice, like in Windows 10 or in your Linux. So you can install two operating systems in your computer, and this will give the multi-user operating system. Okay. Skills: write the names of any four operating system used in mobile phones. As you see in previous page, you have seen this four operating system. This you can write it. Okay, now the chapter is finished. You can take the MCQs, true false, fill in the blanks with yourself. After some time I will post the solution of these exercise. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.